There are two ways to add the squared part to a meter squared. So the first way, I'm just going to type what we want to enter. And when you're there, you can highlight the two and you go into your normal formatting. So I'm going to use the shortcut Control-1 and I'm going to say superscript. And when I say OK and click enter, it brings it through. The second way to do it is to add a symbol. So here I'm going to go 171M. Instead of typing the 2, I'm going to go to insert, symbol, and you'll see if you scroll up or down, you'll see there's a squared symbol, and when I say insert, close, you'll see it's put in. The difference between these two ways, because this is formatting of the actual character, if I go to data and I try to do a flash fill, you'll notice it stays as the 2. If I use a symbol, however, I go data flash fill, it notices it as a different character and it can apply the superscript to it.